Hi, and welcome to imed2351 Programming for Multimedia Programming. I'm really happy to have you all here. This is going to be a fun class. It's going to be fairly straightforward. I give you the rubrics, you follow the rubrics. Hopefully some of you have had me in class before. I'm not sure if you all have. I think there's some new names here, but I am Susan Escobar. I am your instructor. You'll probably be getting a lot of these videos because it's just easier for me to do a video and upload it to YouTube than it is to actually type out instructions. Plus, I think it's a little bit more personable. So you'll be getting some of these. So this is a fully online class, which means we do not meet in class ever, basically. You will be I will be putting out videos that show you how to perform all of the projects that you're going to be doing. Additionally, there will be some videos that are available at tv.adobe.com on the internet, and we'll be using those for resources. And then I will give you a rubric, basically guidelines on how to create your projects, and then you will send me the FLAs and you will publish the SWF to the website so that everybody else can see your projects and we get to share what we did and discuss them. And that's basically the format that the class is going to follow. You really, really, really need to stay up to date in this class. This is not a good class to procrastinate because if you try to get everything done at the last second, it's going to hurt and your projects are going to stink and you're going to run into problems and you're not going to have time to fix it, because I really do look at due dates and things like that. So please do not procrastinate in this class. It will be painful. In addition to having the videos where I will show you how to do the projects and they will be uploaded to Blackboard, but I am also around. I am on campus during the day, and additionally in the evenings, since I really have sadly no life, I am typically sitting at home on my computer connected to Skype. Susan.Escobar, you can connect to me there. But I can, from sitting on my sofa in my pajamas, connect to your computer while you are sitting on your sofa in your pajamas trying to work. And I can demonstrate things to you and we can talk and things just as if you're sitting right next to me and I'm showing something to you on a computer. So you're never completely alone. If you're having any problems, let's try working on that. It's actually a lot of fun. It's a system called Adobe Connect. And it's fun. So don't feel like you're on your own. Even though this is a web-based class, there's a lot of options and how we can share computers and things like that from a distance. But if you like the face-to-face contact, again, I am on campus all the time, pretty much. Typically, if you catch me between about 10 and 2, that's when I'm going to be there. But always call first because I have meetings and things sometimes during the day, and so even though I kind of have set office hours, I get called out for everything. So let me know when you're coming to campus, and I can meet you upstairs in the lab, or typically I'll have my laptop that has all of the software installed, or you can bring your laptop and we can work in my office. Where I want you to start for this class is go ahead in and look at the Start Here button. If you hit the little house on the left-hand side of the screen, it's a little house icon, that's where the content for the course is going to be in. And I typically arrange the courses in modules so that you can follow along, like do module 1, then do module 2. I want you this week to take a look at the Start Here module, which basically just introduces me and gives you a link inside of that Start Here to the Adobe site where I would like you to purchase the software. Yes, I want you to purchase the software. You absolutely, positively have to have access to Flash. Probably Photoshop and Illustrator are going to help you out a lot, but Flash and Illustrator. And what we are asking that you purchase is the student edition of the Web Premium set, CS4 package. And how do we justify that? Because it's a $350 purchase, and I know a lot of you are cringing at that. But what we have decided inside of the multimedia department is we will never ask you to purchase a textbook, ever. So you make this one $350 purchase, and for all of your classes for the rest of the degree program, you never have to buy another book for our classes. So it averages out to less than $50 a class. Plus, then you have the software to do with what you will. Of course, it's student licensing, and Adobe makes some controls on that. You're not supposed to necessarily use it for financial gain, is in the licensing. But at least you own the software, and we'll go from there. But you need to have it. There's no other way around it. There's nothing else that substitutes for actually having the software. Okay. After you do the Start Here module, I want you to go ahead and click on where it says, or the Start Here button section, go into Modules, and then open up Rubric 1. And inside of Rubric 1, you'll find the Overview. I want you to go ahead and open up the link that says Overview, and that has on it the links to the videos, where I have the links to the tv.adobe.com, which are the instructional videos put out by Adobe. I want you to at least take a look at the Getting Started videos. And then also I have videos that I did, I think there's 1 through 4, where I demonstrate actually how to do the project that is in the rubric. The rubric is also a link there. It's a Word document. It tells you exactly what I am looking for this first project. So I want you to take a look at that. I want you to go into the discussion board. There's a link there to our internal discussion board that's only inside of Blackboard, and I ask you some questions to go ahead and introduce yourself, give everybody a little bit of background. Since we're not meeting each other face to face, it's nice to have some information that we can share about each other and kind of know who's in the class. So go ahead and do that. Additionally, I will send you an email for contact information. I want to have your email that you actually check on a daily basis, not the in-class email, because when people disappear from class, a lot of times they're no longer checking the school email. So I would like to have the email that you check. Additionally, I would like to have your cell phone, if you have one, and let me know if I can text you there. I think that is about it. You have about 2 weeks to complete this first rubric. Watch the calendar for due dates. I'll put the calendar and update things on there. Read the syllabus, take the quiz, watch the videos, start your project. Keep in touch. One of the things I don't like about online classes for me is because I always do these videos. So I think you feel like you're talking to me, but I'm not getting any information back. So please keep in touch with me, because otherwise I feel disconnected and I miss you. So Skype me or something to let me know how everything is going, and we'll keep in touch that way. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll be talking later.